Blessings and blessings, Preston Smiles from ConsciousManBrotherhood.com. And today's transmission is about the war on the masculine by way of porn. You see, I've been working with men for almost 15 years now, on and off, 8 years as a coach, and have a workshop called Unleash the Beast and a program called Man Cave. And all of this has taught me something, because I see the before and afters of what happens when a man lets go of porn. We have guys who come into our programs who are sort of burned out and are on the brink of divorce, breakups, have ruined most of the relationships in their lives. And they go through our programs and they do the work, and we help them and we coach them through this process. And on the other side of that, there's so much amazingness and such like a space, not just for their family and their friends and their community, but for themselves. You see, I have a belief that porn is being used as a weapon, as a tactic by whoever you want to say is doing it, to keep us weak, to keep us docile, to keep us operating from the animal mind and the animal brain instead of, and there's nothing wrong with the animal, but when the animal is running the show, when your dick is running the show, when you're hunting all the time, then you can't be hunting and operating from the deepest parts of your integrity. You see, the king energy requires that you do not allow your base desires to run your life. And when a man is watching porn consistently, it starts to erode his brain. It brings a certain level of shame and guilt. And that shame and guilt is the lowest frequencies on the planet. And so that he walks around in that frequency, and it messes with his money, it messes with his family, it messes with his sex drive, and it messes with him as a human. And so if you are watching porn, one, you're not bad or wrong. It's just a part of this modern day world that we were born into. And most men didn't have / don't have conscious fathers who can speak to them from power, with power, in a space where it's not being judged or looked upon as some religious wrongs or whatever is being used. So it's not your fault. And when you know better, you do better. And one of the best things you can do for yourself, and this has nothing to do with me, do we have a space for you? Yes. But one of the best things you could do for yourself is to get in a community. Get a crew of men who hold you, who support you, who hold you accountable, who hold the bar high and say, this is where I want you to be, because you say you want to be there. And don't let you fall. And when you do, they are right there to pick you up. So if this resonated, if this touched your heart in any way and you want to work with us, go to ConsciousManBrotherhood.com, ConsciousManBrotherhood.com. Otherwise, bro, just keep doing what you do, but get support. Get support. If this resonated, please leave a comment below. Love you guys so much. Blessings and blessings from Gold Coast, Australia. We are #ConsciousManBrotherhood. Let's get it.